In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, these simple steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to QuickBooks Online. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the QuickBooks website address. This will bring you to the QuickBooks homepage where you'll start the invoicing process. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a sign in option. If you're not yet signed in, you'll need to click this option to access your account. Ensure that you're signing in with the appropriate account that has access to the company's financial data you intend to work with. With the sign in window now open, the next step is to enter your email and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your QuickBooks account. It's important to have a strong password, not just for QuickBooks but for all your accounts, to keep your financial data secure. After entering your login details, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Doing so will log you into your QuickBooks account and bring up the main dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, double check that you've entered your information correctly, and if you're still having trouble, use the Forgot Password option to reset your password. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the section where you can create a new invoice. On the QuickBooks dashboard, look for a button or link that says New. This is typically found in a visible area on the main dashboard. Clicking on New will present you with several options. From the list of options, you'll want to click on Invoice. This is the feature we'll be using to bill your customers for the products or services you've provided. QuickBooks makes this process quite intuitive, allowing you to efficiently input all necessary information. Once you've opened the invoice form, start by adding your customer. If the customer is already listed in your database, you can simply start typing their name and QuickBooks will suggest matches. This feature is incredibly handy, saving you time and ensuring the information is consistent. If the customer is new, you'll need to enter their details manually. Next, move on to adding the products or services you're invoicing for. In this section, you'll specify what exactly the invoice is for, including quantities and rates. QuickBooks allows you to select items from a predefined list, but you can add new items if this is the first time you're billing for them. This level of customization can be useful for managing various lines of business. Following the addition of products or services, it's time to address taxes if applicable. This involves determining the correct tax rate that applies to the invoice. QuickBooks often has preset tax options based on the location of your business, but it's crucial to ensure that the tax rate correlates with any current tax laws or exemptions. This step helps ensure compliance with regulations and accuracy in the financial representations of your business. Finally, review all the entered details to make sure everything is accurate, from the customer's information to the product or service details and tax rate. This is your chance to catch any errors or omissions. Once you're satisfied that all the information is correct, proceed to click on Save and Send. When you click Save and Send, QuickBooks will save your invoice in the system and open an email template, allowing you to immediately send out the invoice to your customer. If needed, you can modify the email message to add a personalized note or any additional instructions, providing a professional and tailored touch to your communication. And there you have it, you've successfully created and sent an invoice using QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks also features options to download or print the invoice if you or your customer prefers a hard copy. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and professional invoicing process, contributing positively to the accounting efficiency of your business. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, the key to efficient invoicing is accuracy and consistency, ensuring that all the necessary details are correct before sending out your invoices. If you have any questions or need further assistance, QuickBooks provides a robust help section, and their support team is always ready to offer guidance. Keep this process in mind each time you prepare an invoice to streamline your bookkeeping efforts. Happy invoicing, and see you next time.